Hi, this is Doug with Aytwit Engineering, and I wanted to show off a quick little engineering hack I did to keep our beautiful Raymore and Flanagan sectional couch from sliding around independent, like all the pieces independent from each other. Major problem that everyone has, so this is the fix for it. Disregard the Santa hat, it has nothing to do with this video. So basically, if I flip this and then zoom in on, let me unscrew one of these legs here. Takes a while. Okay. Jeez, come on. So if you look, I just have this strip of metal with holes drilled in it already. I picked up at the hardware store, and you can see I had to file with a round metal file a little bit to make the distance to make it fit very snugly. But yeah, that's basically the system. You just put it under each leg there. And then another aspect of the system, disregard all the trash there, are these wood things with holes drilled in, so you can keep like two sections without coupling them with the metal brackets, and so it's easy to get under here and vacuum just like we need to do. Yeah, but that's it. I'm stretched for material here, so give me a break. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.